Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. Today I am here with my another story. The name of the story is Shake Off Your Problems. Yes, actually, our life is full of problems, and sometimes we are so worried about these problems that we are in the condition of not to do anything. So that time also, if we think wisely, so we will be able to get something or the other. So the story is just going around this only. There was a man and who had a donkey. It was his favorite donkey. So one day when he was going with his donkey, the donkey fell down in a pit, in a deep pit, and he was unable to come out. Though the master tried a lot to get him out of the pit, but somewhere he was totally failed because the pit was too much deep. So he decided that with broken heart, he decided that he need to worried that donkey alive. So he started throwing some soil over it. So as he was just pouring soil, the donkey was shaking off his body, and all the soil was going down. And this process going on multiple times. The master was pouring soil again and again, and he was shaking his body again and again. So as a last by the noon, it happened that as he was just pouring the last bucket of bucket of soil onto the donkey, so it was so up that he stepped out and he was in the middle of grassland. Okay, and in this way, with his continuous efforts, as he was just shaking off his body, in the same way we need to shake off our problems. Problems are not so big as we think. If we assume it as a trivial thing, so we can dust off from it easily. So the moral of the story is, whatever problems you are feeling, or you are just seeing, so you need to dust it off, and you need to move forward. I think you will love the story. Thank you, and bye bye. Have a nice day.